Hello and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also leave a comment. We'd like to hear from you guys who we should draw next, your favorite players, all those fun things. So today we are going to draw Jayden Daniels, quarterback for the Washington Commanders. Jayden Daniels started at Arizona State in college and played for 3 seasons, and then played 2 seasons for Louisiana State Tigers, that's LSU. He won the Heisman Trophy in college in 2023, was drafted 2nd pick to the Washington Commanders in 2024, and now raising eyebrows as a great quarterback. Dual threat, running, passing, all the fun things for the Washington Commanders. So let's draw Jayden Daniels. Find the center of your page up and down and the center of your page across, and then bump up, and we'll do the head right there. So we got our dark marker, pointed tip. We are going to draw the jawline, go down, angle down to a chin right in the middle, come across, angle up, and straight up. Okay, let's do an ear, sideways oval on the side of the head, and we will do just a simple arch for the forehead. And let's do the neck really quick. Down, down, V to a point. See how that goes to a V? And we'll start on this neck and we'll bump kind of an arch out that way, an arch out to the right. Those are the shoulder pads. Round off the shoulders, round shoulders. And we're gonna come down to the waist, straight across, rounded shoulders, armpit down to a skinny waist. Now Jayden Daniels is a skinnier kind of quarterback, so we're gonna give him a long, thin body for a cartoon shape. He's got a little bump out right here and a straight across. That's a shirt, or his, like a shirt coming untucked from the jersey. Start with the pants, round out the knee and come up to the middle. Come down, round at the knee, and connect at the waist there. Start at the knee and come down on an angle. We start wide at the knee and come skinnier down toward this ankle shape. It's kind of like a long cone. So it starts wide and then gets skinny down to the ankle. So let's do a shoe. There's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps, shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Big shoe coming out to the edge, drop down, straight across to the ankle and heel area. We stop and then connect to the ankle. Now bring this heel down, come straight across to this side of the page. Bring that toe up and connect to the shoelace. There we go. We're gonna do a big football. Jayden Daniels is getting ready to throw a touchdown to his receiver. So we're gonna do this football shape. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for fingers holding onto that football. And we'll bring his arm, bump, connect to the football. Down, connect to the football. And the same thing over here, we'll bump, little bump, long, starts out wide at the elbow and comes skinny to the wrist area. Do a thumb, curve down to a finger and connect. And back here is another finger. All right, cool. There's Jayden Daniels' body. Now let's do some eyes. We're gonna do sideways ovals right at the top of the ear area. 1, 2, make a circle on the inside of each eye. Make a small circle in the corner of each eye. Those circles stay white. Those are the highlights of the eyes. And we're gonna fill in this area around the eye with our dark marker. Fill it in with this black shape, this black color. And then I like to quickly grab a light blue, it can be any kind of light blue, and fill in this bottom section of the eye, simply to add a little color. I like to say it's the reflection of the stadium lights or the sky when the player's playing. All right, so let's find this. Let's do some eyebrows, arch, Pretty simple eyebrows. Arch, and then a small arch, and color those in. Start at this edge, arch, color those in. And then the edge of the eye come down. We'll do a dot, come down, up, like a bird flying. See that? Up, down, up. A couple of sideways marks for the nostrils over there. Come down, make a dot right there for that's gonna be the middle of his mouth. He's gonna go up, up, come down. Color the corner of the mouth in with black. He's got a lip and a little bit of a lip beard right there. We're gonna scribble some hair. He's got this little beard coming off the edge of his chin, and he's got a lip and a mustache. So scribble on top of that lip with your dark marker, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. There we go. Smile lines. Cool. There's Jayden Daniels now. He's got some hair. He's got kind of these braids or dreadlocks. 1, 2. Some that come out here on the side of his head. Behind his head there. Maybe one that pops out over there. He's got one that comes down. And maybe it comes out on the side of his head over here. All right, Jayden Daniels. We are gonna color these dreads or braids, whatever you wanna call them, with our dark marker in a minute. But what we're going to do first is get the Washington Commanders red. It's kind of a maroon color. Get the pointed tip, and he's number 5. So we're gonna go straight across, down, angle in. The numbers are always different for each team, so you just have to study it out on the internet or watch what I do and press pause a little bit. Do your best. They're always challenging. I don't know why. Alrighty. Looking to see, okay, these curve right here and curve. Okay, so we have the 5 blocked in. We're gonna get our yellow. We're gonna get the fat side, this wide part. We're gonna come across and do one stripe in yellow, make a gap, and do another stripe in yellow. So you can see what we did here. We did a stripe of yellow, made a gap, left white, and then did another stripe of yellow. So the number is going to be yellow, but there's a white outline around it. So we're gonna go on the inside. We're gonna leave a little white gap between the red and the yellow, if you can see here. So it looks like there's a white outline around the yellow 5. Okay, so take your time. A lot of these things are a little more complex sometimes. And there we have the number 5. So now we're gonna hit fast forward. We're gonna do flesh color, red jersey, white pants, red socks, brown football, and we have Jayden Daniels of the Washington Commanders. Let us know what you think of this and who we should draw next. Fast forward now.